Hi folks, and welcome to my next spacescape, which is going to be a colour composition. And I've done a prep. Right, here is a cut up carrier bag, right, and I'll show you what this is going to be used for in a wee minute. Right, so I've cut that and I'll place that there just now. So I'll put a shadow out the road and I'll show you what I'll do. Right, so I've got 5 bits of paper cut there from the carrier bag, and I'm going to place my 5 planets for the composition. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right, so that's my 5 planets there. Right, and just like the black and white composition of yesterday, it's the same procedure with the outlining with the paint. Right, so excuse this. So again, just a wee outline to remind yourself or to mark out where the planet is going to be placed back. Right, so that's it done. You don't need any more than that. Right, now you just sit, wait for that to dry, and then remove the planets, and I'll be back for stage 2 or part 2. Thank you.